I've spent years on the insurance defense side. I've seen the software. I know how adjusters are trained to feed it and how to starve it. So if you got a low settlement offer after a car accident, I want you to understand something. That number may not be random. After this video, you understand why the offer is the number it is and what actually moves it higher. Here's the plan. I'm going to explain what Colossus is, the 5 data points that drive your value up, and the 3 things that silently tank your number before you ever make a demand. First, what is Colossus? Colossus is one of the best known insurance claim valuation systems. Think of it like a scoring system for injury claims. The adjuster enters information from the claim file, your injuries, your diagnosis code, your treatment, your medical bills, your lost wages, whether the injury can be seen on imaging like an X-ray or MRI, whether there are gaps in care, whether liability is clean or disputed. Then the software helps create a value range. And here's the problem. If the right information does not get into the system, your case can look smaller than it really is. That is why a low offer feels insulting. You're thinking about pain, stress, missed work, sleep problems, and how the crash changed your life. The insurance company may be looking at fields, codes, entries, and checkboxes. So how do you push back? Not by yelling at the adjuster, not by sending a dramatic letter. You push back with proof. Here are the 5 data points that can help move the number higher. Number 1, objective injuries, a fracture, a herniated disc, a surgical recommendation, visible bruising, image findings. Those usually matter more than pain alone. Pain matters, but pain has to be documented in a way the adjuster cannot ignore. Number 2, consistent treatment. If you wait weeks to get care, skip appointments, or have unexplained gaps, the insurance company uses that against you. They argue you must not have been that hurt. Number 3, specific medical records. Neck pain is weak. Radiating pain is stronger. Limited range of motion is stronger. Headaches, muscle spasms, numbness, sleep disruptions, and trouble doing normal activities all matter if they are real and documented. Number 4, permanency. If a doctor says your injury may be permanent or you may need future treatment, that changes the conversation. And number 5, impact on your life. Missed work, missed family responsibilities, fear of driving, trouble sleeping, difficult sitting, standing, lifting, or working like you did before. The software may start with medical data, but a serious claim still needs the human story. Now, here are the 3 things that silently tank your number. First, giving a recorded statement before you understand the stakes. Adjusters know how to ask questions that sound harmless, but later those answers can be used to minimize your injury. Second, letting the insurance company collect incomplete records and define your injury for you. If the file is missing key treatment, key symptoms, or medical opinions, the offer may be built on incomplete picture. Third, making a demand too early. This is a big one. If your medical condition is not stable, you may not know the full injury yet. You may not know whether you need injections. You may not know if you need surgery. You may not know whether the symptoms are going away or becoming permanent. And if you demand too early, you can anchor the case too low. And once insurance company sees that low number, it usually does not forget. So the lesson is simple. Insurance companies are organized. Your case has to be organized too. At GAMESQ, we look at the claim the way the insurance company looks at it, but we also look for what the software may be missing. Because your case is not just codes, bills, and checkbooks. It is evidence, it is credibility. If you need a second opinion, contact my law firm